A white businessman dressed in full kente, surrounded by Ghanaian elders, being crowned a Ghanaian chief. Not in Europe, not in America, but right here in Ghana.
So what does it mean for me? It means for me more work, more responsibility.
And already a number of people are talking and asking the very same questions. Why do Ghanaians keep crowning foreigners cheap? Meanwhile, they prevent other nationalities like Igbos and Nigerians from installing their own chief. And the real question is this a sign of progress, or are we losing our identity? In this video, we break down the story of the A1 diesel man being installed as the Nkɔsuohene in this video. And all that you gotta do is to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Now let's get into the story.
Guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe. These videos take quite a long time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. Thank you all for your support. Now let's get back to this crazy story.
Mr. Kofi Ajay Akwamuhene Nia Otoso 9 my friend Aldis Ozols and if Bronia Yabesi Nkɔsuohene na Sabenifo Banai Abenu the Bashanade Aya Harrison ano eka wo ho ono so ebe ochamikuma abegwa bafo atakonya Mr. Aldis Ozols. Come here. Mr. Aldis Ozols.
Mr. Aldis Ozols. Nabusia awaha.
So over the past few days, social media has been on fire, especially in Ghana, with a white man being crowned as an Nkɔsuohene. Now, this is not the very first time. If you've followed, stories, if you follow my YouTube channel, several white people have been crowned chiefs in Ghana. But this particular man is called Mr. Aldis Ozols. Now, he's the CEO of A1 Diesel, and he's the backbone of a number of, companies, a number of people, institutions in Ghana. One of them is the Bus Stop Boys. So, one of the very people who has really funded, helped, stabilized the Bus Stop Boys is this man, Mr. Aldis.
Thank you very much.
So, I'm really honored. I don't know what to say. If someone can help me, what I should say, if your first book is sold for $10,000 US, and then the same evening, what we decide. Prince was there. We decide. I'm donating that money to the Bus Stop Boys. And thank you.
Because of this book, Lose Millions and Win Life, we now have a bus. And I guess you are wondering how exactly is a book going to give you a bus. Listen up, watch this. This is Mr. Aldis. And of course, like you all know, he's the CEO and the owner of A1 Diesel. He wrote a book about his life, what he went through, what he has been through and all of that. And the first copy of the book was sold at 115,000 Ghana cedis. And as you know, Bus Stop Boys and Mr. Aldis, we have a unique connection. He donated everything to us. And on top of that, people supported. And now we have an amazing bus behind us. I'm basically here to introduce to him what he has done and also say congratulations on your book.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, is brand new?
Almost.
See how your colleague is chilling.
Yes, he's chilling. Because you have been struggling with tricycle and all of that. So everybody at Bus Stop Boys is very happy now with the bus.
But in the beginning, tricycle was good.
Yeah, it was good. But this is improvements upon tricycle.
And when you appreciate tricycle, time comes and you get your bus.
Yes, sir.
Good. So you read a book?
Always, every time I'm reading these books.
Now, if you don't know the Bus Stop Boys too, then I'm not sure you are Ghanaian. So, Bus Stop Boys is also a community group who are dedicated to just cleaning, the street. They clean the street. When there is a joke gutter, they'll go and distill it. They will go and clean. That's their job. They are not employed by anybody. It's just a community service. And this man has given them a car, a hose, a number of items. I'll be showing you videos of they talking about it. But then this man has been trending. His video is going viral on TikTok, on Facebook. And then he was finally being installed as a development chief in Supresu in the eastern region of Ghana. Now everyone is asking questions that why has he been installed as a development chief? So let me dwell a little bit on development chief or Nkɔsuohene. So Nkɔsuohene is a title given to people who are expected to bring development chief to the community. Now, these people, they can wear kente, they can be followed. They are expected to follow the tradition and they are supposed to show respect to the people. Now, in Ghana, I don't know of other places, they do this to honor people who in their own small way are bringing development to the community they find themselves. It's not only white people, it can also be a black person. So there are black people who are also development chiefs. Recently, Heritage Morgan was installed a development chief by the Ghana people.
am not a blogger. He gave us our very first tricycle. He gave us our very first pressure washer. From selling his Harley Davidson's belt, he gave us 80,000 Ghana cedis and also played an instrumental role in getting us the bus. He is not a Ghanaian, but because of his support for Ghanaians and people like the bus stop boys, he is now the Nkɔsuohene for Supresu community. I am talking about A1 Diesel, Mr. Aldis.
Nana Mante Nkɔsuohene. Amen. And also Supresu. Number 2 do one in penny. Ajinatu.
Congratulations. In our country, they say Nkɔsuohene, meaning that you are the chief for development. Yes. So what does that alone mean to you?
Let me tell you, I'm very honored that I'm getting that title. Today we already bring 50,000 Ghana cedis as a foundation to build this year gathering center. Thank you for accepting me. What is the first need for community? In this community, there is no hunger, there is no water shortage or something. Each of us separately, we are not that strong. But together, we are always much stronger.
And he's also the author of a book titled Lose Millions, Win Life. In fact, I mean, it recounts of how he lost his life, lost a lot of millions, and then still gave life a chance and then recouped all of that and became successful again. So this is the story of Aldis. So what do you think of Mr. Aldis being installed as a development chief in Ghana? And when you saw it going trend on social media, what was your observation? Leave your comment in the comment section. It's a wrap for today.
So what does it mean for me? It means for me more work, more responsibility. I'm already doing before the title. I was doing exactly. I'll be just continuously doing now.
Nana,